You know, if we didn't put that car up here in the first place, we wouldn't be dragging it out by now.
You got a good point.
Yeah. Ah! Look at that, those all kinds of tires.
Yeah, it went way downhill since we tried up here.
I got a LS I could just drop in it.
That's what you'll do anyway, you know.
It's more expensive. Small bar can get one for like 50 bucks. LS is like 5,000, you know. Yeah. I like to get something on the road by this summer. Try not to kill the bumper on this, and I'll hook.
How we gonna do it here?
I'll hook somewhere under it and yank it. I got this U-hook. What do you think? I mean,
I don't know. You don't want to mess that pan up right there either. It's actually in good shape, man.
It's in a little good shape.
I'd say that bit, well, it's dented over there, ain't it?
Yeah. I mean, that's fixable.
I think, if I remember right, we used a four-wheeler and push this thing up here.
I need to find a place to hook. What's this? It's fine. That's what. That's how you do it. Don't know what you're hooking to, but we'll hook to it. Pull on up. Won't have that problem. Fuel injection. I know, I ain't got no gas in it.
I got plenty of gas. Have to. Sure, I smell it.
Is this a choke? Go ahead. No, it's funny. Point stuck then.
What I think.